In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the liquidity of a cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're brand new to the world of cryptocurrencies or you've been trading for a while, understanding liquidity is crucial for making informed decisions. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to CoinMarketCap. This website is an essential tool for anyone interested in cryptocurrencies, as it provides comprehensive data about a wide range of coins. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a prominent search bar at the top of the page. Here, you can type in the name of the cryptocurrency you're interested in. For example, you might want to search for popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Polkadot. After typing in the name of the coin, click on it to access more detailed information. Now that you're on the coin's specific page, you'll see various tabs full of data related to that cryptocurrency. What we're interested in today is the Markets tab. Click on it to access a detailed table that lays out all the exchanges and trading pairs available for your chosen coin. This table is a treasure trove of information, but right now, let's focus on the column labeled Liquidity. Liquidity, in simple terms, refers to how easily a coin can be bought or sold without affecting its price. In this column, you'll see numbers that give you insight into the depth and stability of trading for each market pair available. Higher numbers in the liquidity column generally indicate better liquidity. This means that trades can be executed faster and more fairly, which is crucial for avoiding potential slippage or delays when buying or selling a coin. If you're interested in understanding more about what these liquidity scores mean or how they're calculated, CoinMarketCap provides a great feature for you. By clicking on the liquidity score itself, you can access a detailed breakdown. This feature can offer you valuable insights into the methodologies used by CoinMarketCap to calculate these scores, which can further aid you in making informed trading decisions. As you explore these scores and understand the data, you'll become much more comfortable assessing which exchanges and trading pairs might offer the best conditions for your trades. Always remember that liquidity is just one factor to consider when trading cryptocurrencies. However, it's a crucial piece for ensuring efficient and fair trading experiences. With these steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge to assess cryptocurrency liquidity using CoinMarketCap, making you one step closer to becoming a savvy crypto trader. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Keep exploring, stay informed, and happy trading.